Cause
So this is
There's literally 2 images of still life Hazmats
yeah.
that are official.
Both of them are in the album, I
Vinyl,
think.
yeah, the vinyl.
the album.
But I know that from the complex.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello?
What are we, Balloon
Wait,
Boy?
what?
Oh yes, sir.
Did someone say?
Said 7.
Wait, did someone?
I don't recognize this one.
Yeah, because it's not in the Pixels.
Hmm.
Pixels. It's not in the Pixels
What
soundtrack.
song could this possibly be?
What song could? Where the fuck is it? What song could this be? Let me find the right note.
Oh, wait. That's that one song from Miley Cyrus, right?
The fuck did you say?
I wasn't expecting that I would have a really epic firefight with Germa.
What was the asteroid that Goog sent at Earth yesterday?
Google.
I don't even know anymore, man.
Siri.
Was it Ceres?
Oh, you're talking about SpaceX, right?
No.
SpaceX. SpaceX.
Alright, bro.
SpaceX.
Shut up.
What could this song be?
And muted.
Well, we all know it's not by the Beatles. It's not by Michael Jackson. Could be someone made by Kane Parsons.
Parsons.
Interesting development. We need more further attraction.
Okay, who's the fucking soundboard?
You.
Wait, do we have a soundboard?
Fuck off, usta. Polyester edit.
Someone sits in a
Moderators and DJs have one.
Alright guys, here goes, yeah. Alright.